Hello, AliExpress here. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix any issues and problems with your AliExpress app on your phone. So first thing that you want to do is go out to the Play Store, search your AliExpress app. Right there, go here and check if you have the update available. If you have the update and you update it and have everything like me, the newest version, there shouldn't be more any issues. But if you have still some issues and problems with your app, I'm gonna show you two more ways how to fix it. So first way is go up to settings, scroll a little down, right here, Finder, AliExpress, here we go, permissions. Maybe you just need to allow them all, like here, calendar, allow just them all, and go up to Wi-Fi data usage, unrestricted mobile data. That means you have the no limit on your mobile data while using the app. After this, there shouldn't be more any issues, but if you still got, I'm gonna show you last way. The last way, easiest one, is go back to the Play Store, uninstall, and just reinstall the app. After this, there shouldn't be more issues. If the video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Bye.